Why should we wear mask? Here are facts and myths about it. Up until now, many people hope that scientists will quickly find a vaccine for the COVID-19. This pandemic has been prolonged and has really made all things different. Well, of course, don't need it, it is no use. Don't ever think about doing it. Who said the use of face mask alone was not enough to provide maximum protection? Therefore, apart from wearing masks, one must also maintain a safe distance or physical distancing from one another, wash hands frequently with soap and water, and avoid touching the face. So, covering your nose and mouth using a mask is the best way to prevent the spread of COVID-19.